Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to repoint reports to new universes. First of all, we're just going to bring up our Business Objects report. So open your 6.5 Business Objects report as normal. This one's been purged, it's got no data in. The first thing you need to look at is you need to look for this little icon called View Data, which brings up the Data Manager window. You can also find that under Data and View Data, and that brings up this Data Manager window. You can see your data providers, etc. You have these two tabs, Results tab and Definition tab. So the Results tab is blank because there's no data in the report. Sometimes you might see data in here, but if you click the Definitions tab, here's where you can see your query name, so you can change your query name, but most importantly this is the universe here that query name is on. So if you've got multiple queries, query 2, query 3, query 4, you're going to need to change the universe for each one of those queries. And to do that, if you click the little button that's got 3 little dots, this brings up a list of universes. Okay, I have quite a few in my list, so I'm just going to click the list and I'm going to press I because I'm looking for the, if you notice on the previous screen, we're on IRB Phase 2 universe, we're looking for the IRB Phase 5. I'm going to press I to jump to all the universes with I, and we can see here that the file name is IRB Phase 5, PHA5, the same as PHA2, and the long name of the universe, IRB 5.1 universe, and this says test in brackets because it's currently a test universe. That may be overwritten to live once it goes live on the 17th of May, and it's as simple as hitting OK. So you see that it's updated there, Phase 5. So if I've got any more queries, I'll update those queries as well. If there's any problems with your report and the current universe, any conflict issues with objects that maybe don't exist in the new universe, at this point it will actually flash up and give you an error message telling you that your current report's incompatible with the new universe. In that instance, you can contact the project team or ourselves and we'll help you fix that. If I just hit OK, another thing to look at, if you actually go into your data provider, so that's actually this icon, it's next to the View Data window and it's on the right hand side of your refresh button. One thing to look at if your report doesn't work is if you come in here and just check the SQL button. If this SQL do not generate SQL before running is ticked, that's not going to take the new changes into effect. You might not want to untick that because someone might have built that report with custom SQL to make that report work. So again, in that instance, if your report's not working when you hit refresh, just check this little tick box, and if that's the case, again highlight it to the project team or to us. For this, I'm going to take the tick box out because I know I can do that. Hit OK, and if I just press run, you'll see that this report now updates on the IRB5 universe, so there's actually no problems there whatsoever. Using the view data, you can see that I've pulled back 2,740 rows, whereas the previous execution there was 1 row less, and that was done on the Phase 2 universe. So check your report, make sure you're absolutely happy with it, and again, feedback, any error message or problems back to the project team. And our group email address, just in case you need it, is vmbusinessobjects@virginmedia.co.uk. That'll come back to the Business Objects team who are working with the project to get all these reports repointed. Okay, thanks for watching.